boat, you'll end up with a lot of what we call specialty stains. Mildew Stain Remover by Starbrite is one of our best-selling products. It's a buffered bleach formula, so what does that mean? It's safe for stitching, it's safe for canvas, and it's also color safe. So what we're going to look at today, obviously we have some mold and mildew stains on the foredeck here. This is an older paint job, so it's very porous. There's lots of mold and mildew buildup in there. So we're going to show you how quick and effectively Mildew Stain Remover gets rid of these for us. Obviously I'm going to need a little bit more than my 22-ounce bottle to do this whole deck. So I've got my gallon of Starbrite Mildew Stain Remover out here. The easiest way to do this is just pour a little bit into a bucket. We'll get a medium duty scrub brush. We'll get it nice and wet. And then we're going to start applying it and just giving it a pretty good scrub, not real heavy, because again, this product is really going to utilize the buffered bleach formula to get rid of all those mold and mildew stains. So we're going to scrub it down real good there, and we're going to let that sit at a dwell time for about anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes. With a heavy duty stain like this, probably closer to 3 minutes. Alright, so we've allowed the Mildew Stain Remover a dwell time of about 3 minutes here, because it's a pretty aggressive mildew stain that's really deep in these open pores of this old paint job here. So now all we have to do to finish it up is just spray off the surface that was treated. We're going to make sure to spray it all the way down the gunnel. Good rinse. And as you can see there, the mildew stains are gone.